When finding an object to hold on to, you want it to be about hip height or a little bit lower. You don't want your hand to be too much higher than your body when you're going down into your deadlift, because then it will turn you and you'll lose balance. But also, more importantly, it's going to be nearly impossible to keep your hips level when it's doing that. I would say my favorite object for me and my clients to hold on to is an incline bench, because you can adjust the height and that way you can make sure your body is level while doing this exercise. And when you're doing a single leg deadlift, now that you're holding on to an object and the balance is not a factor, you can really work on keeping your hips level. So that free leg, don't think about kicking that free leg up. Think about it just going straight back, because you want to keep those hips the same height. So as far as the legs in this exercise, you're going to be mimicking a deadlift with just one leg standing on the ground, which means that there will be a slight bend in your standing leg, your hips will go back, and your chest will go to the floor. I'm showing this video to kind of give you a visual of what it looks like when you're not even. My right shoulder is dipping. It's almost as if I'm reaching for the floor. My left hip mobility isn't great, so I'm trying to get more out of it with my right shoulder by reaching. And you want to just allow your hips to go back as far as you can, not really trying to make up for it with your upper body.